Today we are going to explore the Basics restaurant in Chennai. It is nearby the Isia beach and location is given in the comments. We started off with tempura fried prawns, which was really juicy and saucy. Fiery roasted chicken pizza was the best dish today. It was loaded with chicken and cheese and was spicy. Their fluffy pulao went well with the creamy paneer butter masala. We completed our meal with pistachio cheesecake, which was okay. Do visit here to experience the beachside ambience and some really good food.